Hey guys, I'm Roxanne and welcome to my channel, Catholic Homebody. In today's video, I'm doing another thrift flip video, but Halloween edition. So the first thing that I got was this really nice looking candelabra. I feel like it's really gonna give me the Addams Family Victorian goth Halloween vibes that I'm trying to go for this year. And I definitely am gonna be adding some stuff to it to make it more Halloweeny. Next, I was able to find these silver serving pieces that I plan on spray painting black and adding a little bit of brassy gold to the accents here that I think will look really nice for Halloween. I found this vintage looking picture frame that was like really cheap, and I originally bought this to go up on my Victorian wall gallery, but I ultimately decided that I wanted to make this into a nice Halloween wall decor piece. And lastly, I saw this silver little tray dish that I thought would make a cute Halloween pedestal or something. So I plan on adding something to this and just have this as a cute little Halloween tabletop decor. And so for the first project, I think I'm gonna go ahead and start with the candelabra. First, I started by giving the candelabra 2 coats of black spray paint. I'm using Color Shot in the color Black Tie Affair, which is a satin sheen. I wanted to have a very drippy candle look, so I bought these dripping candles off of Amazon, and these are meant to burn fast to give off that dramatic candle waxy look. Quick tip for if your candles aren't staying in place in a candle holder: light the ends to melt some wax and then place them into the holder, and the wax will help keep your candles in place. And I let the candles burn for about 7 minutes. And here's the final look. Now I'm going to start on the silver serving set. I gave everything 2 coats of spray paint, also in the Black Tie Affair color. Once everything was all dry, I rubbed some rough and buff and gold leaf all along the more ornate details of the serving pieces. For the most part, I just used my finger, but there were some tighter areas that I did use a small paintbrush. And here is the serving set completely finished, which is absolutely stunning. For the picture frame, I took out the oval matte part and decided to spray paint this in the Color Shot color Blackout, which is a black matte paint. I like the idea of keeping the frame the gold brassy color for contrast. Then I printed out this vintage bat picture, which was free online, and put everything back together. And here is my vintage Halloween bat wall art. Now on to the last piece, which is the silver stand. I spray painted this with 2 coats of black attire satin paint. And for this project, I got this skull little glass bottle from the store at home, a pack of bleeding candles, and a bag of moss. First, I played around with the moss to see how I would like this to look on the bottom of the stand. I really liked this black fungus looking stuff and felt like it adds to that creepy vibe. And I just used tacky glue to add all the moss to the bottom and to add the skull onto the top of the moss. The goal was to add the bleeding candle to the top of the skull, but the candle was a little too thin and would just fall through. This turned out to be a lot more trickier than I expected. I tried a few different ways to add it to the top, but no matter like what I was trying, it kept falling over or through the bottle. Ultimately, I used a glue gun, which I don't know why I didn't just do this from the start. And I also did cut this candle to be shorter, and here is how it came out all in the end. So that's it for this thrift flip video, and I absolutely love the silver serving set that I will most likely be keeping out all year round. And the Halloween tabletop decor piece came out so much better than what I expected. And I've already gotten quite a few compliments on that one already. Overall, all 4 pieces really give that Victorian goth Addams family vibe that I was really wanting to go for this Halloween. And comment below with which one that you like the most. And please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.